Bismillah. Today we're going to learn about adjectives. Let's learn how to describe things. An adjective is a describing word. Big, small, and fast are adjectives. To ask about one thing, we say, how plus an adjective. Is it? How big is it? How big is it? It's very big. How big is it? No, it's not very big. It is small. How fast is it? Your turn. Your turn.
Great job, explorers! Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep shining. See you in another quick English. Assalamu alaikum.